You're working hard, but your bank account isn't showing it. You try to save, but somehow, the money just disappears. Ever wonder how some people manage to save thousands a year on regular incomes while others live paycheck to paycheck? The truth is, saving money isn't about earning more. It's about doing things differently. And today, I'll show you easy saving tips that actually work. One of them saved me over $300 in a single month, and I'll reveal that one closer to the end. So stick around. Number 1. Automate before you hesitate. Here's the deal. When saving money requires willpower, you lose every single time. Because that new gadget, that coffee, that spontaneous late-night delivery, they all feel good in the moment. But when you set your savings to automate, the money leaves your checking account and quietly goes into your savings without you even noticing. Think of it like hiding vegetables in your pasta sauce. You don't taste it, but you're still doing something good for your future. For example, let's say you get paid every 2 weeks. You could set up an automatic transfer of just $20 right after payday. That's $40 a month for $180 a year. Now imagine doing that for 5 years. That's $2,400 without even lifting a finger. Number 2. The 24-hour rule works like magic. Impulse purchases are sneaky little budget killers. One moment you're scrolling. The next, you're ordering a new air fryer because it was 15% off. Here's a hack that works wonders. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. Put it in your cart. Walk away. If after 24 hours you still want it and can afford it, go ahead. But most of the time, you won't even remember why you wanted it in the first place. This trick alone helped me stop myself from buying a fancy pair of shoes I never would have worn. Savings? Around $90. Number 3. Make saving a game you want to win. Saving feels boring, like eating dry salad with no dressing. But what if it felt like a game? Try a no-spend challenge. Set a weekend, week, or month where you only spend on essentials. No takeout, no clothes, no random Amazon finds. Or try the $0 day challenge. See how many days you can go without spending a single cent. Turn it into a competition with your partner, your kids, or a friend. Make it fun. And here's the bonus. These games build habits, the kind that quietly shape your financial future. Number 4. Use the one income trick. Let's say you're in a household with 2 incomes. Try living off one and save the other. Sounds extreme. Plenty of families do it. Even if you can't do a full income, try saving one person's bonus or side hustle money. When I got a freelance gig earning around $300 a month, I decided to pretend it didn't exist. I funneled every dollar straight into savings. After 6 months, I had $1,800, and I didn't feel a thing. Number 5. Cancel what you don't remember paying for. Go check your subscriptions. Seriously, right now, streaming services, fitness, apps, delivery memberships, cloud storage, mystery charges from that one app you signed up for 6 months ago. These tiny charges are budget vampires, sucking out money each month while you don't even notice. Use tools like Rocket Money or manually check your statements. I once found out I was paying for a meditation app one hadn't opened in 8 months. That was $13 a month. Gone. Add up a few of those, and you've got $100 a month. Leak. Number 6. Use cash for your trouble categories. We all have that one thing we overspend on. For some it's coffee, for others it's snacks. For me, take out sushi. Here's the hack. Go old school and use cash. Withdraw a set amount each week just for that category, like $30. Once the cash runs out, that's it. No more sushi until next week. It creates a physical limit. And weirdly, handing over cash feels harder than swiping a card. That pain. That's your brain keeping your wallet in check. Number 7. Give every dollar a job. Here's what usually happens. You get paid. The money sits in your account and slowly disappears. But if you assign every dollar a purpose before you spend it, something magical happens. It's called zero-based budgeting. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month. Instead of hoping there's money left at the end, plan every single dollar at the beginning. Rent, groceries, gas, savings, fun money. You don't leave your money wandering around like a lost puppy. You give it a home. Apps like Inab, You Need a Budget, are built around this system, and people who use it often say it feels like they got a raise. Number 8. Buy in bulk, strategically. Buying in bulk can either save you money or trap you with 25 cans of beans and no cash. The key? Only buy in bulk if it's something you always use. It doesn't expire quickly, and you have the space. Toilet paper? Yes. 10 bottles of ketchup because it was on sale? Maybe not. Warehouse clubs like Costco or Sam's Club can be gold mines, but only if you use them wisely. One family saved over $400 a year just by buying paper towels, detergent, and frozen vegetables in bulk. Number 9. Reframe saving as buying time. Here's a mindset shift. You're not saving money. You're buying time. Every dollar you save is a tiny slice of future freedom. Want to retire earlier? Travel more? Work fewer hours? You're buying that with your savings. Suddenly, skipping that $7 latte isn't about the coffee. It's about buying back your time. This shift alone changed how I saw money. It made saving feel like building a superpower. Number 10. Plan your meals, even just a little. Food waste is like throwing money in the trash. Studies show the average American family throws away around $1,500 worth of food each year. You don't need a perfect Pinterest meal plan. Just jot down 5 dinner ideas before you shop. Stick to a list. Use what's already in your pantry. And cook once. Eat twice. Double up and enjoy leftovers. You'll spend less, waste less, and stop those last minute, I guess we're ordering pizza again nights. Number 11. Learn the art of delayed gratification. Let's get real. Saving money means saying no sometimes, but not forever. You're not giving up joy. You're delaying it. You can still buy the new phone or go on vacation. You're just planning it better. Create a fun fund, a separate savings account for the stuff that lights you up. Even putting aside $10 a week adds up. That dream trip, that designer purse, that new tech gadget, it'll feel even better when it's guilt-free. Number 12. Use roundup savings to build without noticing. Micro-saving is like digital spare change. Apps like Acorns or your bank's roundup feature take your transactions, like 4.50 at the coffee shop, and round it up to $5. The extra 50 cents goes straight into savings. Do that several times a day, and it quietly adds up. One user reported saving over $500 in a year without ever feeling the money leave. It's like tricking yourself into saving with every swipe. Number 13. Give yourself an allowance. Yes, really. Adults need allowances too. Figure out how much you can safely spend each week on fun stuff, like eating out, coffee, shopping, and give yourself that exact amount in cash or preload it on a prepaid card. When it's gone, it's gone. It creates a guilt-free zone where you can enjoy your money while keeping your overall budget in check. You'll feel more in control, not less. Number 14. Track your spending. Even for just 7 days, you can't fix what you can't see. For just 1 week, write down every dollar you spend. Use a notebook, a note app, or a budget app. You'll start noticing patterns fast. Maybe you're spending $70 a week on snacks, or $50 on gas station runs, or $120 on random miscellaneous items. Awareness creates change. I did this once and found out I had subscribed to 2 music services. 2. Why? Tracking saved me nearly $30 a month. Number 15. Unsubscribe from temptation emails. Those store emails with just for you sales, they're not doing you any favors. Every time you see 50% off today only, your brain goes into spend mode. Unsubscribing is like removing junk food from your pantry. If it's not there, you won't crave it. Go through your inbox and hit unsubscribe on retail newsletters, coupon clubs, and limited time offers. It's one of the fastest ways to reduce impulse spending. Less temptation, more peace of mind. Number 16. Shop with a list and stick to it. Walking into a store without a list is like grocery shopping blindfolded. You end up buying what looks good, not what you actually need. A list keeps you focused. It also helps you avoid doubling up on things you already have, like 5 bottles of ketchup. Try this. Before you shop, plan your meals, check your pantry, and write down exactly what you need. Bring the list and commit to it. One woman saved over $60 a week just by avoiding extras at the store. Number 17. Use the 30-day rule for bigger buys. We talked about the 24-hour rule for small stuff. But what about those bigger purchases, like a TV, new phone, or furniture? Use the 30-day rule. Write it down. Wait 30 days. If you still want it after that, and can pay for it in full without dipping into savings, you're good to go. Often you'll realize you didn't really need it after all. And if you did, you had time to find a better deal or save up. Win-win. Number 18. Budget backwards. Instead of trying to save what's left over, flip the script. Decide how much you want to save each month. Say, $200, and build your budget around that. It's called paying yourself first. Make saving your priority, not your afterthought. This one shift changes everything, because now saving isn't optional. It's part of the plan. Number 19. Label your savings accounts. Want to get emotionally invested in saving? Give each savings account a name. Instead of Savings 001, call it Hawaii Trip, Emergency Fund, or New Car Fund. This adds meaning to your money. Suddenly, it's not just cash in a digital vault. It's a beach sunset, a stress-free car repair, or a debt-free future. People who label their savings goals tend to save more and stick to their plans longer. Number 20. Reuse and repurpose before replacing. Before buying new, ask yourself, can I reuse something I already have? That old jar, it could be storage. Those jeans, maybe they just need a patch. Repurposing reduces waste and saves money. YouTube and Pinterest are full of DIY ideas to breathe new life into old items. It's creative, rewarding, and kind on your wallet. Number 21. Set micro goals for saving. Big goals feel overwhelming, so break them down. Instead of saying, I want to save $2,000, say, I'll save $50 a week, or even $10 a day. These tiny wins add up and keep you motivated. One person started with saving just $5 a day from cutting their morning coffee run. In 1 year, over $1,800 saved. Number 22. Audit your bills twice a year. When was the last time you really looked at your bills? Cell phone, internet, insurance, utilities, they creep up. Call and ask for better rates. Mention competitor prices. Many companies have unadvertised discounts. If you ask, one man cut his internet bill from $80 to $55 just by asking. Take 1 hour, twice a year, and review everything. It could save you hundreds. Number 23. Buy used whenever possible. Used doesn't mean junk, it means smarter. From furniture to clothes, books to electronics, buying used can slash your costs in half or more. Check Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, thrift shops, or apps like OfferUp. I once scored a like-new blender. Retail price $120 for $30. It still works perfectly 3 years later. Number 24. Stop comparing your life to social media. Instagram is a highlight reel, not reality. That influencer showing off a beach vacation? They might be in debt. Your coworker's new car? Leased with a massive monthly payment. Comparing your journey to someone else's is the fastest way to lose track of your goals. Instead, focus on your own lane. Celebrate your small wins. Your future self will thank you. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated. It's about small steps that quietly stack up. And remember that tip I promised at the beginning, the one that saved me over $300 in 1 month. It was meal planning, just planning 5 dinners a week, and actually using what I bought at the store cut my grocery bill in half. So now, let me ask you, what's your biggest struggle when it comes to saving money? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.